Not long after, Alfred and his brother Emil began to make and sell nitroglycerin in their homeland of Sweden. They called it blasting oil, and orders came in from many places. Just as Alfred hoped, the blasting oil was used to build roads and railways, bridges, ports, and towns. One day in the workshop, Emil and a partner were making some new oil when something went terribly wrong. Boom! Everything exploded and 5 people were dead, including Emil. The tragedy proved one thing to Alfred. He must make nitroglycerin even safer yet. As the pain of his loss troubled him, Alfred worked day and night. Some days he would feel weak and ill, while others he felt lonely and sad, wanting nothing more than to escape into books or poetry. 2 years after Emil died, Alfred mixed nitroglycerin with sand. This made a paste he could roll into the shape of a rod. He realized such rods could be put into holes, so builders could make blasts happen only where they wanted. The rods would ignite only if they had a blasting cap, making them unlikely to explode on their own. Finally, Alfred Nobel made nitroglycerin safe to use. Alfred named his invention after the Greek word dynamis, which means power. But to the world, Alfred Nobel had invented something called dynamite. This made Alfred wealthy and famous. Everybody knew about Alfred Nobel and his dynamite. Alfred was happy with his success. Most of all, he hoped his inventions would prevent a war. He thought that if people were afraid of the harm that explosions could cause, perhaps they would settle things peacefully first. But Alfred was wrong. In many countries, people began to use dynamite to solve problems by hurting others. This made Alfred very sad.